2 cans of my apple pie filling onto my cutting board. Now I'm coming in with 2 packets of apple cider powder mix. Alrighty, y'all, now that we got our apples cut to smaller pieces and I've added that apple cider packages, I am just gonna give this a nice little rubby-dub-dub here, getting it all well mixed together and combined right on top of my cutting sheet. All right, I'm just gonna take off 1 glove and I'm gonna bring this over here to my piping bag. All right, now that we've got our pastry bag all filled up, I'm just gonna bring in my Hawaiian's King sweet rolls. And I did already break these up, but what I'm gonna do now is just stick my finger right down into the roll. I'm gonna make a little indentation just like that. We wanna have a nice cavity. And now I'm just gonna come in with my piping bag here. All right, look at that, perfect. Then I'm just gonna stick that right over here onto my baking sheet. And now I'm just gonna repeat this process. Alrighty, now that I've got all my cinnamon rolls, all my Hawaiian rolls with my apple on here, I'm just gonna drizzle them with a little bit of butter. We wanna get these nice and baked up to perfection, crispy, warm, delicious. And this butter is just gonna really take that to the next level. Now I've got 1 more packet of my apple cider mix. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this all into my little net here. And I'm gonna give this a shake, 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 shake over each and every one of these delicious apple cinnamon rolls. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just popping these into my oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our apple cinnamon donuts are ready. Now, of course, you can eat them like this. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Listen to that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add a little bit of caramel sauce on these. Delicious, oh my goodness. And or you could put some powdered sugar. I'm an and girl, not an or girl. So, yes. Ooh, look at that. Fall donut treat, so, oh, yes. Oh, but you know what? I made these for a special friend of mine. So, Jen, do you want to come give them a try?
Yes! Oh my goodness, these smell delicious. All right, moment of truth.
Y'all, apple cinnamon donuts for fall. You've got to try.